How to earn $7,598 in Forex in 10 minutes. In this video, I will show you how a scalper robot works intraday and opens from 5 to 30 trades every day. The robot opens trades for a short time and, as soon as it makes a profit, immediately closes the trade. Each trade is accompanied by a stop loss to limit the possible loss. But the ratio of profitable trades to losing trades is 70/30, which allows you to consistently make a profit and close most trades with a profit. Of course, profitability in dollars depends on the initial balance of the trader. If you have $100 on your balance, then you can earn not much, but steadily. But if you have several tens of thousands of dollars on your balance, then you have the opportunity to earn $7,000 for a couple of trading operations. It all depends on your starting balance. But this robot shows good results when trading on gold. I say this from personal experience testing this bot. The robot file can be downloaded from our website and you can immediately start trading with it. I leave a link to our website under the video.